loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm DejaxAaliyah or Deja Lee, and I'm back with another video. So today I have another hair review for you guys. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is this Outre sleek lay part lace front wig in the style INDINA, and this is the color Summer Blonde. Outre is like my second favorite brand after Sensational. I'm gonna just put that out there right now, because let me tell y'all, their lace, like, the lace is just unmatched. Like, I would compare the lace on this wig to the Sensational What Lace collection, because the lace is really undetectable. Like, it looks really good. This wig is really pretty. I love the curl pattern. It's not tangling too much. I did get a couple tangles as I was installing the wig on my head, but as of right now it's not tangling too much. Yo, what is with these wigs in the tracks? Like, at this point, is it me? Am I the problem? Like, why is this track hanging out? Okay, I'm gonna cut that real quick because this is way longer than what was sticking out of the wig in my last review, so I'm gonna cut that right now. Where's my scissors? Can't find my scissors, so I'll just use a razor. And yeah, that's what was sticking up. Like, I don't understand what's going on. Like, am I the drama? Is it me? I love how the roots blends into the blonde. It blends really pretty and natural looking. This wig, I would say, is about, this wig is about 20 inches. So I got this wig from Ebonyline.com per usual. Let me tell y'all, when they say transparent, they're not lying, okay? Because really, like, I don't know how it's looking on camera, but in person, it looks like a what lace wig from Sensational. Like, the lace is really similar to the What Lace collection by Sensational. So it's a T-part wig. All you really have is the part. There's not much lace on the sides. I did do baby hairs around the entire hairline, even though really the baby hairs is pretty much just for the top of your forehead. I added some sideburns, and that's pretty much all I did to this wig. I didn't put any concealer on the part. I'm probably going to, even though I don't really need to, but I just like to, so that it looks extra natural. But if I keep looking all over the place, it's because my mirror is right here. The viewfinder to the camera is right above the lens. So if it looks like I'm looking everywhere but the camera, don't mind that, okay? Sorry. This is really gonna be a really short review. I really don't have no cons about this wig besides the track that was sticking up. So other than that, it's not shedding much. Yeah, it's not shedding. No shedding. I would say this wig is beginner friendly. It's just a T-part. It's not much that you have to do to it. Yeah, like, I feel like this is a really short review because, I mean, it don't gotta be long. I know y'all like short, sweet, and to the point, so that's what it's gonna be for y'all with this review, because I really like this wig. I'm gonna give this wig a 9 out of 10 only because of that track that was hanging out. If the track wasn't hanging out, I would definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. It was about $30. Like, seriously, you can't beat that, because look at this wig. $30. That's it to have this look. Come on, you can't beat that. So I definitely suggest that y'all go and get this wig. It's really pretty. I'm really loving it because I was fiending to go back to blonde, and this wig is just the perfect blonde. Like, the dark roots into the blonde is just perfect. Like, chef's kiss. It's perfect. Okay, the wig is big head friendly. Like I told y'all, if y'all didn't see my last review, Unless y'all hear me saying that a wig is not big head friendly, you can assume that it's big head friendly because I have a big head. Like I said in the last video, if y'all ain't see that one, go watch that one. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Also, click that little bell down below and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.